community leaders mounted a fierce defense of Seattle Police Chief Adrian-Diaz, firing back at claims against him and the department.
So multiple officers have said they've faced discrimination or retaliation. Fox 13's Shira Matsuzawa joins us now on why these community leaders are coming forward and putting the blame on the officers filing the claims, not the chief.
At least two of the people making these legal claims against Diaz are high-ranking police veterans. But the chief's supporters say they are twisting the facts because they're out to get the chief.
We work with the chief. We know his character.
Gathered outside of a Beacon Hill coffee shop, three community leaders used their voices to be a voice for Seattle Police Chief Adrian-Diaz.
With him not being able to defend himself, city council and other people they're talking and they're making him look guilty, and that's not right, and shame on city council.
At least 7 officers have filed legal action against Diaz and the Seattle Police Department. The most recent from Captain Eric Greening, a 30-year veteran of the force who claims Diaz demoted him after he flagged potential racist and sexist behaviors within the department. Another complaint by Captain Deanna Nolet, who served as Assistant Chief for Criminal Investigations, claims Diaz has a history of demeaning women. But Victoria Beach, who sits on the department's African American Advisory Council, says there is only one side of the story being heard, and that's not right.
They talk about retaliation, the chief is retaliating. They're retaliating against him because they didn't get the position.
Both Greening and Nolet applied for Diaz's job and lost out in the selection process.
These entire litigation allegedly are from disgruntled employees, people that didn't get their way, people who are not faithful to our department, our police department, people who lack the integrity, who are not faithful and loyal to our chief.
This is a mutiny, and what happens when the rank and file don't like a police chief? They do a mutiny.
And Reverend Harriet Walden for the Mothers for Police Accountability says that's not all.
And this is racism. They're not going to be satisfied till they get a white police chief.
But the speakers didn't spend much time arguing back against the broader claims of gender bias against women within the department, which are at the heart of a tort claim filed last month by 4 female officers. Earlier this month, Seattle Mayor Bruce Harrell hired a firm to investigate the sexual discrimination and harassment claims against leaders of the police department, including Chief Diaz.
To Chief Diaz, you stay strong and committed in your vision, and we will stand by you. We are not going to be silenced.
And I asked today if the chief knew they were holding this news conference. They tell me the chief had no part in it. At the West Precinct, Shira Matsuzawa, Fox 13 News.